All right, these are from your 4.5 notes that we did not finish yesterday. We are on number 14 and 15, 4.5. All right, so I've got this 2x plus 3, and he's in jail. So to get him out of jail, first I have to make all his visitors leave. So we know that between the 6 and the absolute value, it's being multiplied. So I'm going to just divide by 6 on that side, divide by 6 on that side. So now I have in jail 2v plus 3 equals 30 divided by 6 is 5. Now, there's no visitors on this side, and there's no visitors on this side. So now it's time for him to get out. He went in with a v plus 3, or a 2 plus 3. So when he comes out, I have 2v plus 3. Now, I'm going to have 2v plus 3. When you get out of jail, you have two choices. You can make good choices and be positive, so a positive 5, or you can make bad choices and be negative. So first, to solve this first problem, I have to subtract 3. I get 2v equals 2. Divide by 2, v is 1. All right, let's do the same thing over here. Subtract 3. I got 2v equals negative 8. Divide by 2, v equals negative 4. So now when I write that, I'm going to write it inside my squiggles. V equals negative 4, 1. Let's do number 15 together. So this k plus 9 is in jail, but he has a negative 5 visiting. So the first thing I need to do is get that 5 to the other side. So now I have k plus 9 absolute value equals 21. So there's no visitors on this side. There's no visitors on this side. It's time to break into two problems. So when k plus 9 gets out of jail, he has one choice, and that's to be good and positive. When k plus 9 breaks out of jail, he also has another choice. He can be bad or negative. So to get that k alone, I have to subtract 9. K equals 12 on that side. Subtract 9. K equals negative 30 on this side. So k equals negative 30, 12. All right, let's fill in these blanks together. When you are in absolute value jail, you cannot come out of jail until your visitors leave. If you went to jail with your purse or your wallet, those items will go out with you. When you come out of jail, you have two choices. You can be good, which we're going to say is positive, or you can be bad, which we're going to say is negative. All right, flip over to the next page in your packet. Reminder how to do this. So remember, the M is in jail, but since he does not have any visitors, it's time for him to leave. So he has two choices when he gets out of jail. M can be positive, make good choices, or M can be negative and make bad choices. Either way, M is going to equal negative 3, 3. All right, so that's what we're going to do. You're going to set them up and solve them. Each problem will have two answers. Do number 2, 3, 4. I also would like for you to do 5, 6. I'm going to do an example of 7 for you, and you do 8. So let's do 7 real quick together, just as one more example. All right. I know that multiplication is going on right here between the -5 and the absolute value sign. Also know that -5 has to leave before anyone gets out of jail. So -115 divided by -5 gives me a 23. So 2a plus 7 equals 23. Now, visitors are gone. Visitors are gone. Time to get out of jail. 2a plus 7. 2a plus 7. Let's see. He can be positive and make good choices and be a 23, or he can make bad choices and be a -23. All right, let's solve this. I'm going to subtract 7. So on this side, I'm left with a 2a, and on this side, I'm left with a 16. Divide by 2, a equals 8. So that's one problem. Now we solve the other one the same exact way. First, we're going to subtract 7. And then I get 2. Sorry, my pen is not writing well today. 2a equals -30. Let's divide by 2. A equals -15. So for this, our A is going to equal squiggle -15 or 8. I want you to do number 8 very similar to how I did number 7, and you finish that on your own. When you're done, turn your work in to me. Thank you.